Role, assistant, reasoning_content. We need to translate entire script to Hindi. Keep markers unchanged. Must translate naturally, not skip or shorten, at least same length. Provide full translation. Ensure markers remain as is, dot, dot, etc. Also dot, 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 dot. Must remain unchanged, but we must keep them even if those sections are not in original. The user gave only dot, dot. In body, they said keep markers unchanged. They may expect full script includes others, perhaps earlier we have info, etc. But the user provided only those markers. They wrote, translate this entire true crime script to Hindi. Keep markers unchanged. Translate naturally. Do not skip or shorten any sections. The translation must be at least as long as the original dot, so we need to include all these markers. But the script only shows 3 markers. Then we need to keep the markers unchanged and not remove or skip. We can include the markers that are present and those that are absent in content. The instruction to keep them unchanged means we cannot change them or delete, but we can keep them as placeholders. It says translate entire script. So likely the script includes the full content of all parts, but they only posted part of it. But maybe they omitted past parts? The user didn't provide full script. The instruction says keep markers unchanged dot, so we must not modify them. They want translation of entire script, but we only have 3 parts. Maybe those are the only parts. But they still require markers to be unchanged. We have only 3 markers present. That's fine. And we should translate those parts, dot, dot. Also maybe include dot, dot, etc. as headings with no content. But they said don't skip or shorten any sections, meaning we should leave these markers but don't remove them. We can keep them as empty headings. But that might not be requested. The script earlier did not contain them. But we can include placeholders for consistency. And to be safe, we could include markers lines, dot, 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 as empty or minimal because they were not included. But skip meaning not translating them? It's ambiguous. Let's be safe. At least keep them in final text unchanged, but maybe add no content provided. That would be making content not present. But the instruction says don't skip or shorten any sections. We didn't skip any because we haven't provided them. It's ambiguous. Let's just keep the provided sections only. But the markers included in the instruction might refer to standard formatting used by many scripts, but we only have 13. We'll keep only those present. Note final answer. Provide Hindi translation of the sentences. Keep markers unchanged. And we need to produce Hindi translation natural, not too literal but clear. And let's translate. A hotel room door was locked from the inside, yet the woman who lived there disappeared without a trace. In Hindi, एक होटल के कमरे का दरवाजा अंदर से बंद था, फिर भी वहां रहने वाली महिला बिना किसी निशान के गायब हो गई. But we need to keep etc. exactly. Part in 2009, a 21-year-old Toronto student, Elisa Lam, checked into the Cecil Hotel in La. On her 3rd night, she was heard crying, then gone silent. 2 days later, her body floated out of a hotel water tank. Police found no signs of foul play, no forced entry, no crime scene. The only clue, a surveillance video of her staggering through the hallway with a yawning stare, captured MOTIONDETCTING cameras that pinged out of control. The footage was released, sparking wild speculation. Conspiracy theories ran wild: ghost, drug missteps, cult involvement. Yet investigators concluded a tragic accident, the unseen must that changed how surveillance footage is analyzed. NN we need to translate fully. NN 2009 में एक 21 वर्षीय टोरंटो की छात्रा एलिसा लाम लॉस एंजल्स के सिसेल होटल में चेक इन की। अपनी तीसरी रात को उन्हें रोते हुए सुना गया, फिर वह चुप हो गई। 2 दिन बाद होटल की पानी की टंकी से उनका शरीर तैरते हुए मिला। पुलिस ने कोई अपराध की निशानी नहीं पाई, कोई जबरदस्ती प्रवेश, कोई अपराध स्थल नहीं। एकमात्र सुराग, एक निगरानी वीडियो जिसमें वह फुसफुसाते हुए गलियारे में चलते हुए दिखाई देती है। गहरी नींद में आंसू, एक कैमरे के द्वारा पकड़ा गया जिसे मूवमेंट डिटेक्शन से कमांड मिल रही थी। यह फुटेज जारी किए जाने के बाद लोगों ने विभिन्न अटकलें लगाईं। षड्यंत्र सिद्धांतों ने डरावने परिदृश्य बनाए, भूत, दवाओं के दुरुपयोग, पंथ में शामिल होना। फिर भी जांचकर्ताओं का मानना है कि यह एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण दुर्घटना थी, अदृश्य में चूक, जिससे निगरानी फुटेज का विश्लेषण बदल गया। NN but we need to adapt wording more naturally. NN potential translation. N 2009 में 21 वर्षीय टोरंटो की छात्रा एलिसा लाम लॉस एंजल्स के सिसिल होटल में साइन इन की। तीसरी रात उनके रोने की आवाज सुनी गई, उसके बाद वह चुप हो गई। 2 दिन बाद उनके शरीर को होटल के पानी के टैंक से तैरते हुए पाया गया। पुलिस ने किसी भी प्रकार के अपराध का कोई प्रमाण नहीं पाया, न तो जबरन प्रवेश, न ही कोई अपराध स्थल। केवल एक ही सुराग था, एक निगरानी वीडियो जिसमें वह गलियारा पार करती दिखीं, एक उलझे हुए और चौंकते हुए नजर के साथ, और जिन कैमरों में मूवमेंट डिटेक्शन चालू थी। यह फुटेज जारी होने के बाद लोगों में जंगली अटकलें आग लगी। षड्यंत्र थ्योरीज, भूत, ड्रग त्रुटियां, पंथ की भागीदारी, सबने इधर-उधर फले फूले। आखिरकार जांचकर्ताओं ने यह निष्कर्ष निकाला कि यह एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण दुर्घटना थी, अदृश्य रहस्य, जिसने निगरानी फुटेज के विश्लेषण में बदलाव की शुरुआत की। NN make sure it's natural. NN was the airy video the ghost of a mystery, or a simple human error? Tell me what you think. What do you believe really happened to Elisa? _calls